Hello, my friends. Do you like to fix things? I certainly do. I like the feeling of saving money. I like to tell my wife how much money I've saved. And that's what happened to me when I started upgrading these 3M hearing protectors. The 3M ear pads, the foam ones that originally came with these, started to disintegrate. And the same thing started to happen with the head pad on top. There were black specks of foam coming off and sticking to the side of my face and the top of my head. So I started out by disassembling the head pad and making a template out of it. I used the head pad to trace a new outline onto a piece of 8-ounce veg-tan leather. I cut out the rough shape with my leather knife and a straight edge. You could do this with a sharp utility knife just as well. I positioned it roughly on the frame of the headphones. I used an old linoleum knife to carve a channel where the steel frame of the headphones would register into the leather. I also used a leather punch to create some relief around the areas I'd be folding the leather. I was pleasantly surprised to see how the leather sumptuously folded around the curves of the headphone, giving a pleasant look and feel when I tried it on. The only problem was that the steel frame still poked through the leather a little bit, so I found some EVA foam of the approximate width of the original materials. I traced that foam to be the right size and cut it to shape, and then I softened the material with this Obanoff leather conditioner. I was pleasantly surprised that 3M makes a gel upgrade to the ear pads. Next, I measured a 1/4 inch stitch line and then punched a bunch of holes with my stitching forks. I'm not sure what this stitch is called. It's kind of like lacing up your shoes. I use this because I had very thick leather and I didn't have great access with this kind of stitch, so it's the best I could do. So here they are. I've sewed up the leather head pad. There's 2 layers of EVA foam, 5mm each, one on the top, one on the bottom. I've treated the oil with an Obanoff leather conditioner. And then I've upgraded the ear pads with the gel type from 3M. I think these upgrades make it actually better performing, more comfortable, and more unique to my own individual taste and style. And then here's the head pad with that thick 8-ounce leather. I would have really liked to do like a baseball stitch, but just due to the thickness and the positioning of the stitch, I wasn't able to do that. So thanks for watching this simple repair project. I greatly appreciate you tuning in to my channel, and we'll see you on the next video. What was that? What was that?